Control, this is Strider. I'm ready for blast off to the moon.
All systems go, Commander Strider. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Whoa! Look at all the stars! Hey, there's the moon! Wow, this place is holy! Did someone bring a giant cheese grater here?
Boom!
Wah! Moon alien!
Nope, it's just me.
Oh, Miss Itzy, you scared the space snacks out of me!
I'm sorry, Strider. I was just pretending to be like an astronaut and exploring outer space. Today's mission? Explore the moon and all of its craters.
Wow, how can you be looking at craters when there are so many holes to look at instead?
Oh, silly. The holes are the craters. You see, they form when big space rocks called meteorites crash into the moon and go kaboom!
Whoa, so you're telling me the moon has been having a rock party?
Exactly. Hey, do you want to go back to the lab and make our own moon craters?
Yeah, let's blast back to the science lab.
This flower is going to be our moon surface. And we're going to use this cocoa powder to make it extra moony.
Smells like science and brownies.
It really does. Okay, so now these balls are going to be our meteorites. So I'm going to take this big, sparkly purple ball and I'm going to drop it. Let's see what happens.
For space science!
Whoa! Do you see that? That made a really big crater. Okay, now let's see what happens when we use this slightly smaller pink sparkly ball. Ready? Oh! It made a smaller crater.
Wow.
And finally, we're gonna take this tiny blue sparkly ball. Oh, and it made a smaller crater. Whoa! So what we see is that the bigger the meteorite, the bigger the crater.
Wow, that's so cool!
It is. You're a crater scientist, Strider.
Call me Commander Crater!
Come on, everybody. Let's learn about astronomy together. An astronomer studies stars and planets up high in the sky. An astronomer studies stars and planets up high in the sky. They use a telescope to see the wonders of our galaxy. An astronomer studies stars and planets up high in the sky. We're gonna see with our eyes, smell with our nose, hear with our ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands. Now what do we see with our eyes? Well, I see something that's round and gray. And what do we smell with our nose? It smells out of this world. And what do we hear with our ears? Whoa! It sounded like something just crashed over here. And what do we feel with our hands? I feel craters. What is it? It's the moon. Good job. I had so much fun learning about astronomy with you today. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with me, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, always be curious, little astronomers. Goodbye!